Good evening. The Indian equity markets continue to suffer badly from the aftershocks of the turmoil in the US and the European markets. The S&P's downgrade of the US top rating spooked global markets. The trading was also volatile, with the indices recovering in the afternoon before turning lower again. The NSE Nifty fell by almost 100 points, kicking off the week on a sour note after last week's 5% drop. Although there was a pullback which saw the Nifty bounce back to 5,200 levels, the recovery could not be sustained as the Dow Jones stock futures and the European markets tumbled. Several reassuring statements from the RBI and the government were of no help. The BSE Sensex lost 315 points to close at 16,990, and the NSE Nifty lost 93 points to close at 5,119. FIIs have turned net sellers in the Indian equity markets. They have sold nearly Rs 30 billion in the last 4 trading sessions in the cash segment, while selling Rs 25 billion in the index futures and Rs 4.3 billion in the stock futures. Today's decline was mainly led by a sell-off in realty, IT, telecom and metal stocks. Power and banking were other notable losers. Overall, the trade was highly negative, with all the sectoral indices ending in the red. The mid-cap and the small-cap indices also witnessed heavy offloading. Technically, on the monthly charts, the Nifty seems to have found support around the ascending trend line of 5,000 levels. Any close below the same could aggravate the selling pressure. For the week, one must keep an eye on the Federal Reserve's policy meeting and Chinese data on Tuesday. For India, the IIP data on Friday will be a key monitorable apart from remaining quarterly earnings and any possible announcement from the government side. Markets will remain volatile as the overseas situation remains fragile. Further correction in crude oil and other commodities will have dampening effect on inflation in India. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.